here's Factor Meals app where you can just order some kind of ready food to your house. So this is different from HelloFresh. In HelloFresh, you just ordering products and you still need to cook. In Factor Meals, you kind of just have prepared meals delivered to you. I think they do delivery like every Sunday, for example, every Saturday, and you can select from 4, 6, 8, 10 meals, and so I just subscribe to see how it looks like, and then you can see the orders, what is shipping soon. So if you select 4 meals, then for example, you might have something like that. This is the information you will have for this. I don't know how it's being delivered. You can see all the nutrition, ingredients, how to best enjoy. So that's the idea. So the idea of this food is that you can just put in a microwave and then just warm it up. So this way you can kind of save time, but it just depends. Then you can also have some add-ons, like you can add specific add-ons for specific meal, like some ginger shots and so on, and just update your order. Then you can rate some food. Then you can also refer friends. So feel free to use my code in here to get some freebies. I think it's working in Denmark, but maybe you can also try. Maybe it will work in your country as well. So that's that. And then you have your profile. You see your plan settings. You can edit it, personal info, benefits. You can see past orders, redeem promo code in here. Your payment time, payment type, and then log out and delete an account. I think you can also skip some deliveries. I don't know how exactly, but yeah, you can do that. You can skip 1 week, or you can just tap skip this week. So just easily like that. So just skip this week, or change the box size, or reschedule it. And that's basically it. They also offer some discount for the first 2 weeks. And then, yeah, it's the full price. It just depends, whether it's makes sense for you or not. But basically, that's kind of the idea. That's the idea for it. So, yeah, something like that, as you can see. So that's the app Factor Meals. It's not yet available worldwide, but available in US, Canada, some European countries. So, yeah, take a look.